Hey, how y'all doing? That's quite a mess.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll have it fixed here in a minute.
Okay. So it broke on that side, I guess?
Yeah, it's broken on the southern side.
Oh, wow. How'd that happen? Just because it got cold and it thawed? Or?
Just over time, old line.
Okay.
Yeah. The ground, just from the ground being wet and moving and all that, just over time, and finally give out.
Wow, that's crazy. So you just like cut it off somehow?
Yeah.
Or did you screw it in, or you just cut it off? Pinched it, really?
It'll leak again one day.
Yeah.
Now where I pinched it.
Oh, okay. You pinched it and then you're putting a new line in, I guess?
Yeah.
That's cool.
We was hoping it was on your side of it.
Yeah, we did some double checking just to make sure.
It's alright, it ain't freezing cold.
Yeah.